Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today we have Isaac Patterson, who's a smart home consultant. And he's going to talk about sound systems for your home. And how do you want to connect?
Yes.
Okay.
So there are a bunch of different ways to connect your sound system, right? But first you got to find out what the best sound system is for you.
Okay.
There are some that connect just through Wi-Fi, like Sonos, right?
Okay.
That only connect through Wi-Fi, and you can basically play the same song or different songs throughout your entire home, right? Based on your music library personally, or your new music setup if you have CD players and stuff like that.
So you can play different songs in each room with Sonos? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
Okay, great.
So basically it's saying if you have a child or something like that, they want to listen to some new music and you want to listen to your old school music. So like if I have a son that's trying to listen to Little Pump and then I have my dad who's trying to listen to LL Cool J, they can have those different things playing in different places in the house.
That's
and they
awesome.
can both enjoy great crisp sound.
Okay, so that's one way. What's another way to connect?
So there are other ways to connect, basically through traditional audio receivers, right? Although those things are starting to become a little bit dated.
Absolutely.
Yes, you can still use audio systems and audio receivers to basically connect all of your speakers throughout your home in one central console, basically. So you can have different wired speakers like Polk systems or clips and stuff like that. Throughout your home entertainment area,
Okay.
and then have your audio receiver basically be the main hub for control. So your volume, the different types of sound that you want to do, so presets, as well as different ways to get your music in there. So your CD player, for instance, or Bluetoothing your stuff to the receiver and all that as well.
Okay. And is that the only two ways that you typically
No,
operate?
so the only two ways that the receiver operates?
Or no, to connect to your house is Wi-Fi, and then you said accounts receivable. What was it? Receivable something.
No. So your audio receiver.
Audio receiver. That's what you
So
said.
no, that's not it. There
Okay.
are some other ways. So there are some big waves coming out in terms of the voice assistant realm, right? So there are things like the Google Home Max, which is a $400 speaker that basically also has a Google Assistant built in. So it can stream whatever music you want through your Wi-Fi, basically through your streaming service. So if you have SoundCloud, you have Spotify, you have iTunes, you got Google Play Music. All of those guys you can use to stream your music through a big, huge speaker. And you can connect those to other Google Home speakers in your house as well. Same thing through Amazon Alexa.
So, quick question in regards. So, is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth the same, or is that
No.
two different things? So that's another way to connect to.
Yes. So
Okay.
Bluetooth is basically getting a signal from a single source.
Okay.
So your cell phone basically will be the source of the music that you're playing, and then your speaker will be the one that's receiving that source.
So that's how you would use
yes.
the audio
Wi-Fi,
receiver.
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
Wi-Fi is way more broad, right? So
Okay.
through Wi-Fi, you can basically connect a bunch of speakers together all under one Wi-Fi name,
Okay.
and play either the same or different songs to different speakers or to all the speakers at once.
Okay.
Through grouping and stuff like that.
Okay, got it. All right, and now we have just more technology coming out with
Yes.
this Google Home, and you could just do
Yes.
homey everything.
Yes, and then through Amazon Alexa as well, they are making it easier to connect your existing speakers to Alexa's stuff, right? So there's
Okay.
going to be a new product coming out later on this month, actually in October, that is a little puck
Okay.
that you plug into the back of your speaker system,
Okay.
and basically has microphones so that you can ask it questions or have it play music, just like how you would a regular Alexa speaker,
Right.
and it would respond through the speaker system.
That is pretty awesome. So give us an example.
So basically saying I would buy that new puck that's coming out through Alexa, and I would plug it into the back of my existing clip speakers, right? The speakers themselves aren't smart, but the puck is.
Okay.
And you can ask it to play Kendrick Lamar through Google Play Music.
Can you
And
ask it the weather too? Is that also something you can do, or is it just
So
music?
that one is for more basic stuff like
Okay.
that, right? It does. The puck itself does not have any sort of functionalities outside of
Music.
playing music. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Well, either way, you could talk to it.
Yes.
And now we're getting into just talking to stuff versus
Absolutely.
physically having to do anything.
Mhm.
So we heard about the $400 Google Home.
Yes.
What are we talking about in regards to price for some of the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, whatever?
Oh yeah, so some great speaker systems do start out at about $200. Sonos and Bose are pretty much competitive in that space.
Okay.
Sonos Play 1 starts at about $199, as does this Bose SoundTouch 10. And Bose does have some new speakers coming out that will also cost the amount of money. So about $200 starting out is usually where you want to look for great sound quality.
So that one speaker, is it covering just the downstairs, or do you need to get
So
more?
one speaker can cover about a dining room and a kitchen together, right? For a single Sonos Play 1 or a Bose SoundTouch 10.
So then you would just get additional speakers where you wanted
Yes,
to place
absolutely. So then
Okay.
there are different levels to these speaker systems. There's usually start at about $199, $349, then $500.
them. Okay.
And then the $349 one can easily cover a whole first floor and kind of creep into the second floor of a home.
Okay.
And then the Play 5 or the SoundTouch 30 can easily cover your whole home, or makes for some great movie nights as well.
I bet. So would you say to do the whole house, you could possibly do it for under $1,000?
You could possibly do it for under $1,000.
Okay.
But just be
Depending on how
mindful
big
of
the house.
Yes, and also just be mindful of where you place your speakers. You might not want to have them all close together in one room.
All right.
Think about just the spacing of those things as well.
Okay, awesome. Well, guys, that sums up smart sound systems for your home. I think I said it right,
Yes.
Isaac? Yes. Well, thanks for coming out. We
Absolutely.
appreciate you. And remember, guys, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.